Yes.
Okay.
Here we go.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Richard, and this is my very first YouTube video about
Sorry.
my new chicks. And there they are. There's 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, my granddaughter is my director and editor.
Yeah.
And if you're thinking about getting chicks, it's very simple. You just have to get a little plastic deal like this.
Yep.
Get some of that pine shavings, a water feeder,
Water.
and a feed feeder. The birds themselves are about $3 a piece.
Piece. You're like, we have about 5 pieces though.
Not 5 pieces, there's 8. Anyway, they're about $3 a piece. And you just kind of start from there. Total investment so far is about $50. I've had them for a week.
None of them have died.
And none of them have died. They're all happy.
You probably need to change their water though.
I just changed their water before we shut the video 5 minutes ago. Remember? They just play in it. You got to get a heat lamp. That's about $15. And try to get the heat lamp bulb
So then
that is silver one. It's a clear silver one. Don't get the red one. Just get the one that it just makes it too hot. You want to keep it at about 90 degrees in there for the first couple weeks. But that's basically all they do. They just kind of sit, eat, drink, and poop, and that's it.
And
This is the
also,
whole week of them doing that.
speaking of animals, bunnies.
And yes, we have bunnies too.
Water diet and Finley.
Yes.
Hello. Okay.
All right, now, if you're thinking about getting chickens, it's really easy. Chicks are easy to take care of. It's kind of a process to where, over a period of time, yes, they get older, they get bigger, and you got to build a chicken coop.
One by one.
Or you can buy them, yes. And so, that's really about it after the first week. So, I suggest get chickens